Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to record in Locket. First, ensure the Locket app is installed and updated on your smartphone. Open the app, and you'll see the main camera interface. To start recording, simply tap and hold the large circular button at the bottom of the screen. Release the button to stop recording your short video. It's that simple to capture moments. After recording, you can enhance your Locket. Tap the gallery icon to select a photo from your device's album, integrating it seamlessly. Explore various filters and effects to give your video a unique look and feel. You can also add text overlays or doodle directly onto your Locket, making each creation truly yours before sharing. Once your Locket is perfect, it's time to share. You can select individual friends from your contact list to send your creation to. Remember to review your privacy settings for each post, ensuring only your intended audience sees it. Your shared Locket will then appear directly on your friends' Locket widgets, bringing a smile to their faces. For advanced Locket use, try switching between your front and back cameras to capture different perspectives within one recording session. You can also record several short clips and combine them into a longer, more dynamic Locket. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart technology, making your daily life even more convenient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.